Hi, this is Maria. I'm a homeschooling mother of 6-year-old. We follow Montessori approach for language and math, and we love all the Montessori materials. However, Montessori materials can be quite pricey, so I make all of them by myself, most of the materials by myself. I'm here today. I'm so excited to share this with you all. This is Montessori Mobile Alphabets, and I've been wanting to buy this ever since my son turned 3, but I didn't because that time it was not available on Amazon.in, and I didn't want to buy it along with the shipping charges from abroad. However, I keep looking for this. Lately, I found a seller on Amazon named Cryocraft who sells a lot of language materials, but not exactly this box though. But their prices were very reasonable, so I contacted them and asked them to get this box customized. To my surprise, they accepted my request, and in a month they sent me this box. To talk about the box itself, it came in a very neatly packaged box. It was a hard ply carton, and the entire box was cling wrapped. There was absolutely no damage considering that this was delivered during a rainy season. I was so happy. I was over the moon when I received this because the box is very sturdy. It's very lightweight for a 3-year-old to carry it around. And ideally, the set contains 10 vowels and 5 consonants, but they've sent 12 vowels and 6 consonants. And also, each section has letter markings in the back for the child to keep it back in the respective sections once he or she is done with playing. And bonus, we do have punctuation marks, exclamatory, that's a question mark. What else do we have? A period. And guess how much all this costed for? Ideally, a set costs from 4,000 to 7,000 rupees, but I got this only for 1,600 rupees. Most children do not like to write with pencil. That's because their finger bones and the wrist joints, finger joints are not very well developed. So that puts a lot of strain on their hands. So this material is a real savior in that case because there's absolutely no strain on hands, and the letters are all color coded. The vowels are red and the consonants blue. So it is easier for them to remember the spellings as they keep practicing. And also these letters come in print as well. I've chosen cursive because that is what we're practicing right now. But if you want, you can also go for a print font. And it is definitely a lot cheaper and the quality is very good. It is worth every penny, and we enjoy using this every single day. My son loves this. Even though he is 6 now, this is what he uses to learn new words and form sentences most of the time. I got this customized from Cryocraft, but now it's available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. However, if you need any more customization in this, like placing a magnetic strip at the back or more pieces, you can still contact them. Else you can buy directly from Amazon or Flipkart. It's very lightweight, it's light on the pocket, and it's a wonderful learning material, and it's made in India. So what are you waiting for? Go grab yours.